guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making French toast, homemade French toast that is so delicious and so simple. You're gonna love it. See you on a flip side. See you later. So we're gonna need a large bowl just like this. We're gonna need 3 eggs. We're gonna need 1 fork. And about 1 tablespoon of half and half. And so what we're going to do is we're going to crack the egg. Okay. Make sure you get no shells in here. And if you do, just take them out like I did just now. That's what I told you not to do. I guess it requires me to do it so that you won't do it. I don't know how that works. Now we're going to add our half and half. I always like to pop the eggs first. That little satisfaction. I've also picked it up barehanded before just to see how it would do. Alright, so we're going to scramble it like this. And do that really fast. Okay, so we've got the griddle out. We're going to be cooking this on a griddle. And guess what? We're going to turn this on a large burner up to 5. Ouch! Ow! 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 That was my foot. Ugh. As you can see, it's on 5. We're gonna let that heat up for about 3 minutes, and I'll see you after 3 minutes. Oh, I almost forgot. We still gotta cut the bread. We're gonna be using challah bread, braided, fresh, homemade challah bread, the most delicious stuff you ever had in your life. Challah bread, braided, fresh, homemade challah bread, the most delicious stuff you ever had in your life. All right. Nope. We're also going to need some olives. Like that. Okay. First, we're going to go ahead and take some olive oil and spray the pan, spray the pan. Then we're going to move over here, take the tongs, get a piece of bread, put it in the egg. I know that sounds silly, but that's what you gotta do. Now, down there, that. Okay, so we got her on. There we got enough to finish the last piece. They're about ready for a flip. Okay, we'll click the other side on that, and then we'll finish up the last one, and I'll see you on the flip side. Got the last piece in. About to finish the about to finish it up and show you on a plate. See you on the flip side. See you later. Okay, so we have come to the last part of this video, just like a short we're starting to end the video. we will get back to the outro and all the mistakes I make right after this. We got some perfect bread and or French toast rather. Let's try it. That's good. Now, one thing I will say is that what you need to do is need to get some powdered sugar and cinnamon. Powdered sugar and cinnamon. Powdered sugar and cinnamon. Powdered sugar and cinnamon. That's what you need. So, to make powdered sugar, what I do is I take regular granulated sugar, put it in a coffee grinder, grind it up, and it turns to powder. It acts just like powdered sugar that you get at the store without having to sift it. Which we have in our mixture. Here's our mixture. And that's cinnamon powdered sugar. Right there. You put some cinnamon in there. Boom. It is so good when you do that. So, what I recommend is shit. I am so sorry I said that bad word, but here's what happened here. That's the plastic, and I've got to get that off somehow. Hold on, I gotta take care of this now. So, I hoped I really hope that you have liked this video. You know, French toast, I mean, I really like French toast. And by the way, I was barefaced lying, bald-faced lying, and I said, this is delicious. I was lying. It tasted horrible. So make sure that you put on some syrup, or some maple syrup, or some cinnamon powdered sugar, like they said in the video. Also, make sure that you check out my twin brother, and he's on YouTube, or he's on here as well, and he's got some pretty cool teachings out there, and yes, make sure you check that out. I also have some other really cool Traxxas RC car videos. You can check those out as well. Yeah, I'll go ahead and I'll see you in the next video, next teaching, next whatever. The anything guy. See you on the flip side with CLA.